Okay, so we have a chicken being held hostage by a snake. We're going in. It's on the far end. You see it?
Chicken?
Okay. Black snake?
Yeah.
What can I help do? No. Let's just stop recording. An egg. It was eating an egg. Oh. Oh. What's the plan? Oh no, that's not the plan. Oh.
I get it going on the grass.
Going in that hole. Oh!
Come out.
What do you want me to
Open
do?
the bucket.
The bucket ain't gonna work.
Yeah, well.
It came out with it locked.
Did you get it videoed when we caught it the first time? The chicken come at me. We borrowed a stick. I I'm not absolutely positive.
I don't know.
It's a black snake because it has a lot of brown on it.
You took a picture of it. Maybe we can.
In any event, it is a snake.
Well, it was holding the chicken hostage.
I'll come over here and video.
You know what? I'm pretty sure. I'm like 99% sure it's a black snake. It's just like the ones we got last year. Out of them. What do they call them? A king snake?
Yeah, I guess it is. But buddy, we're trying to do you a favor.
I guess he's stressed out.
Well, I'm glad he is, because I am.
He don't want out?
He's probably saying they're too crazy people out there.
Probably mad that lost his honey hole. Sit in the chicken coop and eat eggs like a fat cat.
Thought he'd never see freedom again, didn't he?
No animals were harmed during the production of this video. Huh?
That's right. No animals are people.
Nope.